रूखी त्वचा यानी अनहेल्दी त्वचा, दीजिए अपनी स्किन को हाइड्रेशन का पोषण विद रोजा बॉडी लोशंस। सॉफ्ट मखमली एहसास रोजा लाइपास।
दुनिया भर के जाने माने फैशन ब्लॉगर्स को लुधियाना में इकट्ठा कर दिया एक ही मंच पर, और ये प्रयास किया मशहूर सेलिब्रिटी इनायत ढांडा ने, जो करवाने जा रही हैं एक बहुत बड़ी एग्जीबिशन 9 और 10 फरवरी को लुधियाना में। आइए देखते हैं इस खास प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की कुछ झलकियां।
I do bring in my son, who is 10 years old. I bring him also in this field, and I influence a lot of people with him as well. So my niche is basically fashion. I cover beauty as well, and ma'am, I'm a big fan of dancing. I would actually want to do something. I've been looking forward because I think dance is like, I don't know what, it makes me go higher. To post more content around videos because videos say a lot than writing. According to me, I know there are many good writers, but personally I am a good video person, so I like to describe things via a video platform. So that's why I opened my YouTube channel around 3 years ago, and after that I started my Instagram, and I am also makeup artist, and I post about fitness, lifestyle, travel, and also beauty because I'm a makeup artist myself. So I'm so blessed to be here. I'm meeting so many people and bloggers and brands. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I have been the Miss Asia Universe of 2018, but I like modeling more. Ramp is what I love. I also love dancing so much, and I have won many trophies for my dancing, and I've been the super talented of Miss Asia Universe and Princess of Miss Asia Universe. I have been the Miss North India and have got many more titles. I have recently been the chief guest for a show, and I'm blessed I'm here. It gives me immense pleasure that you people have invited me to be here, and this is really good to meet all of you. Thank you.
I did this because I am like a hardcore vegetarian, and I wanted somebody to tell me that, you know, this food is good but it's vegetarian. So I started with that purpose in Ludhiana, and after 3 to 4 months I started working with the women bakers in Ludhiana who are working purely from their homes, so that you could provide some clientage to them, and they could also, you know, recreate themselves in terms of their creativity and also a business to them. So it's been 1 year that I've started this food blog, and it's entirely on vegetarian food, and also it's about honest and blunt reviews on the food, so that you have a fair idea whenever you're going somewhere what to order, and if something is not good, so you are actually safe from ordering bad tasting food.
I'm like quite passionate about food, and I'm also pure vegetarian food blogger as Yamini. And ब्लॉगिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट अभी लोगों के दिमाग में थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं है। लोगों के अभी भी पेज पे बहुत मैसेजेस आते हैं, हाउ टू गेट फ्री फूड, इज ब्लॉगिंग ओनली फॉर फ्री फूड? सो आई एम रियली सॉरी, यू नीड टू हैव गुड कंटेंट, you need to have, you need to be also be blunt sometimes, कि किसी को तुमने क्रिटिसाइज करना है, कुछ भी करना है, तो you need to be true and honest about that. तो तभी तुम्हें, I'm really very thankful.
Professionally, but food has always been my passion, so yeah, I've started this journey with presenting my knowledge of food, and bringing up my palette of taste buds to the people who don't know much about. And again,
that Ludhiana has so much to offer, and we don't need to worry about it. Yes. Like every day something new is coming up, and there are stud farms that you've never been to, or there are some new schools which are coming up, or just anything new, eating joints which are coming up, which you guys are doing such a fabulous job covering. So yeah, that's what blogging is all about. We've done that bit also, but we realize now there are too many food bloggers to talk about food. So we don't need to enter that space. We are enjoying right now writing about fashion. And
co-founder of Gaily Road. It's a hyperlocal recommendation portal, so anything and everything worth recommending in Ludhiana. It's on our blog, and the reason we started it was my partner and I, we spent a lot of time in Delhi, and we were used to a lot of Googling and checking out places, which wasn't happening in Ludhiana. We were solely dependent on word of mouth to where to go, where to get a haircut. So we thought, why?
Hi guys, I am Suhani and I am a food blogger. I am very passionate about food. I mean, I like cooking more than eating. So that's why I started my page on Instagram. It is by the name of The Gourmet Girl Official. So I also post recipe videos and recipe stories on my page, and I review cafes and restaurants. So basically my motto was,
which is take place on the 9th and 10th February at Satluj Club Lawns, and it is the first time that a concept which is happening in the open for men, women and for dogs. So we have designers and jewelers and lifestyle and exterior interior designers from all over India coming for this 2-day event, which will take place on the 9th and 10th February. This is being sponsored by Centra Greens, which is an Abhay Oswal Group venture, and it's been organized under the banner of Savera, which is a cultural and social welfare society.
And I'm presenting her on behalf of her. We are writing some goodies on her behalf, and let's see you all on fashion show.
Team Mehak Quadra. We are sponsoring some goodies here, and hope to see you all on fashion show. Thank you.
I'm an entrepreneur. I'm running an online store by the name of Chococo, Amazon India and USA. Plus, I am a fashion and lifestyle influencer. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I am Sylvie Mehta and I am a fashion and beauty blogger. So I basically post about street style and relatable and easy fashion to provide inspiration to middle-aged or teenage girls. Thank you so much.
Parul, and I'm a designer and a stylist at Isidore, and basically I'm a hobbyist blogger as well, and I run my studio. So my passion and flair for all things creative led me to become a stylist. So, and I have learned the styling sessions and some classes from the University of Manchester, as I'm a master's from IME UK, and then this has always been my passion to do things very creatively. So that's why I started off my own business, and now it's been 2 years I'm running it. And then apart from that, and I'm also doing some creative things.
I am Emila Pawa. I am a model. I am invited here, and we are going to have a really good exhibition by Inayat Ma'am, Garden of Eden. It's on 9th and 10th February. We are a part of it, and you all should also support it. Thank you.
Thank you.
मेरा नाम चित्रा शर्मा है और मैं चंडीगढ़ से आई हूँ। यहाँ बहुत ही अमेजिंग एग्जीबिशन होने वाली है 9 और 10 फरवरी को लुधियाना में, जिसका नाम है गार्डन ऑफ ईडन। और इस एग्जीबिशन की खासियत ये है कि ना सिर्फ फैशन को कवर किया जा रहा है, इसमें फूड प्लस लाइफस्टाइल।
So it's a complete package. So I think Ludhiana wale and especially people Chandigarh se bhi, they can come and have an amazing experience. और आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छी एग्जीबिशन होएगी ये, एंड आई थिंक लोगों को आके यहाँ एक्सपीरियंस ज़रूर करना चाहिए. थैंक यू.
एंड आज मैं यहाँ पे ब्लॉगर्स मीट पे आई हूँ लंच ऑन एट पेंट हाउस, और यहाँ पे गार्डन ऑफ ईडन एग्जीबिशन के बारे में हमें बताया जा रहा है, विच इज़ जो बहुत ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एग्जीबिशन है. इसमें ना फैशन ओनली नहीं है, इसमें लाइफस्टाइल, फूड, एवरी टाइप ऑफ ब्रांड्स आर कमिंग टुगेदर, और हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. यहाँ पे ब्रांड्स के अलावा ब्लॉगर्स भी सारे एक दूसरे से बातचीत हो रही है, एंड बहुत अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट है, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर द एग्जीबिशन. थैंक यू.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम सुहानी है और मैं एक फूड ब्लॉगर हूँ. आज यहाँ पर मैं ब्लॉगर्स मीट के लिए आई हूँ, जो कि गार्डन ऑफ एडन एग्जीबिशन के लिए हुई है. ये 9th और 10th फरवरी को है ये लुधियाना में, एंड मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा इसकी वेट है कि आई रियली वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस दिस. एंड बेसिकली ये फूड और फैशन और लाइफस्टाइल तीनों के लिए है, और इसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे डिज़ाइनर्स के स्टॉल्स एंड कपड़े एंड ये सब कुछ होगा, एंड आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर दिस.
Hi guys, I'm Anushka Dalmia, and we run a blog, The Hush Hush Diary, and we also have a company by the name ANA. So today's event is really nice. Garden of Eden and Ayat is doing such a wonderful thing to bring together such great designers, and we're really looking forward to this event on the 8th and 9th of Feb. Thank you so much.
Isha Sabharwal. I'm an entrepreneur. I run an online brand by the name of Chakoko. It's in Amazon India and USA. Plus I'm a fashion and lifestyle influencer. I've been invited by Garden of Eden. The event is holding very nice, and the exhibition is on 9th and 10th February. I'm looking forward to it. Many designers are coming. I'm just very excited, and you must all come and have a look on at the designers. Thank you so much.
And I'm a stylist and a designer at Jador. That's my own label. And then today we are here at Garden of Eden's meet. That's a luncheon influencers meet, and then we're happy to be here and then interact with many people, many other fellow bloggers. And then this is a very nice exhibition which is going live on the 9th of 10th of February, and then you all must go and then shop. Like they have lifestyle food and other things, so you must go all there and then enjoy yourselves. It's going to be an amazing exhibition where all the designers are on board, and then apart from that there are like food, and then more in a lifestyle thing, and so you must go and then shop there and enjoy yourselves. Thank you.
I'm Vivek Vij from Centra Greens. We're making these apartments by the name of Centra Greens at Pakhwal Road, और ये सारी प्रीमियम अपार्टमेंट्स हैं और बहुत बेहतरीन लोकेशन है पखवाल रोड के ऊपर, राइट इन दी हार्ट ऑफ द सिटी. सो
I'm Pooja Thapar from Centra Greens. जैसे सर ने आपको बताया, we are coming up with a premium project, and हम Garden of Edens के साथ में हम इनको sponsor कर रहे हैं. The only reason is that Garden of Edens again is going to be one platform जहाँ पे आपको सारे बड़े stylists lifestyle products मिलेंगे, be it fashion, be it anything for your pets, of course. So we also correlate with them because we are here for the niche market, and Garden of Edens of course again is there for that segment which is looking for lifestyle, which is looking for fashion, which is looking for luxury. Thank you.
My name is Gopesh Garewal. Basically we are representing Bake Fresh, which is going to be a very good platform by Garden of Eden. So that's why she's the owner, Vani, so Mrs. Vani, and the beautiful cakes and the yummiest cakes ever in Ludhiana basically you are having there. So that's why you can see that basically cakes by Bake Fresh, so that's why it's
हेलो एवरीवन, आज हमने बेसिकली इन्फ्लुएंसर्स मीट करी है जो कि ब्लॉगर्स हैं लुधियाना. आज हमने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स मीट करी है यहाँ पेंट हाउस लुधियाना में, जहाँ पे मैंने फूड, लाइफस्टाइल और फैशन के जो ब्लॉगर्स हैं पंजाब से उनको इनवाइट किया था अपने इवेंट के बारे में बताने के लिए, जो कि गार्डन ऑफ ईडन है, एंड वो 9th और 10th फरवरी को सतलुज क्लब में होगा, जहाँ पे अराउंड 100+ डिज़ाइनर्स फॉर मेन, वुमेन इवन फॉर डॉग्स वहाँ पे आएंगे। ये एक बहुत ही बड़ा इवेंट हो रहा है, पहली बार लुधियाना में। पहले तो ये ओपन में है एंड यहाँ पे फूड और बेवरेजेस भी हैं। सो आई एम इनवाइटिंग एवरीवन फ्रॉम लुधियाना एंड अदर नियर बाय सिटीज़ टू कम। बहुत ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इवेंट होगा ये। आपको अपकमिंग फैशन डिज़ाइनर्स, इवन वेरी वेरी एस्टैब्लिश्ड डिज़ाइनर्स यहाँ पे मिलेंगे, जूलर्स भी मिलेंगे। सो प्लीज़ आएँ यहाँ पे।
Hello, hi guys. So this is Prachi Saini. I've been invited here to for the exhibition and for the program which had been conducted for the luncheon, the influencers meet. It's very good when working women meet each other and everyone is interacting. It's a very great stage organized by Inayat Dhanda and everyone incorporated. So basically I am Prachi Saini and I work as a celebrity anchor. I am a celebrity interview. We interview celebrities every day and the coordination and everything, and I am a model. So it's been quite a time that it's great I'm being interviewed today. Usually I interview celebrities. So it has been a very great event. It's a very great motive and initiative took by Inayat Dhanda and everyone who's associated. So it's a great thing to get influencers together, to get people together, to get them to a table and talk. So बहुत अच्छी बात है कि सब मिलते हैं, सब बात करते हैं. And thank you so much. It's very good getting here. Thank you so much everyone.
अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि इन दुनिया भर की चमचमाती हुई बेहद खूबसूरत पर्सनालिटीज को सामने देख सकें और उनकी कला के बारे में जान सकें और इन सभी ब्लॉगर्स को मिल भी सकें और एक ऐसी प्रदर्शनी में भाग ले सके जो दुनिया में अद्वितीय हो, तो याद रखिए 9 और 10 फरवरी को सतलुज क्लब में इनायत ढांडा की गार्डन ऑफ ईडन आपके इंतजार में रहेगी। वॉइस ऑफ एशियंस न्यूज ब्यूरो लुधियाना।
रूखी त्वचा यानी अनहेल्दी त्वचा, दीजिए अपनी स्किन को हाइड्रेशन का पोषण विद रोजा बॉडी लोशंस। सॉफ्ट मखमली एहसास रोजा लाइपास।